Hello adorables, welcome to my channel. In today's video I have a PR package from Outdoortide. A while back they reached out to me and asked would I like to select a few canvases free of charge and show them to my viewers on my channel, and I said yes. So here we are months and months later and everything is going good. I'm still working with them because everything has been great and their customer support is great. Now what happened in the last package is I requested a pen and they sent a pen and it was broken in half. And I mentioned this to them. They need the feedback. They need to know when things are going wrong in their packages, you know? So I told them that the pen came broke, no big deal. And they were just like, well, we're going to include another pen in with this new order. And I was like, okay, but they didn't have to do that. This isn't like I bought it from them, but they wanted me to have the pen back. They're showing me their customer support. You know, that's what they would do if I paid for it. So I appreciate that very much. Okay, so here's a pen. And you could take the cap off. You could unscrew this if you want to. And you could take all these crystals out. You can't use them. These aren't diamond painting crystals. You could use them for something else. But they're just like little gems. They're not flat on the bottom. But I'm not going to take them out. You get the idea. And it comes with a cute little container with 3 plates of wax. It's so nice. So this is going to be for when I'm working on my off-canvas things where I don't need a multi-placer on the other end. So I'll keep that with my coasters and all those crystals in the other room. Okay. So what's in here? Let's find out. Okay. So this canvas is for my giveaway, for my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Somebody is going to get real happy with the canvas from Outdoortide. She is a pretty little Mad Hatter. And you got some crazy little ghosty thing up here. You got some checkerboard going on here. There's a mouse, or maybe it's a little cat in her pocket. And this is a rabbit. I think there's another rabbit. I think there's a rabbit in a hat right here. Okay. The stick on this is good. Come on, let me see you. I think that's a rabbit in the hat right there. See the kitty in her pocket? Or a mouse? This looks like a cat right here. I don't know. You know, AI does weird things. But that's all background. I think it's okay for just background. You know, your focus is on her, her hat, just her face, man. You get this rabbit coming in real good. Some balloons. Maybe that's a mushroom floating up in there. Okay. I don't know anything about that. Okay. Drill field. Maybe this isn't the best way to be. I want to sit today. I feel like sitting. So this is all very clear. You can see everything real nice. So what's the bunny look like? There he goes. And what's this little guy look like in her pocket? No, it's over here. I bet it's a mouse. So, drills. This is the kicker. It's a square. Let's just get some of them. Get the bright ones out. So, yeah. Somebody's gonna win. a nice square canvas from Outdoor Tide with the little Mad Hatter Alice girl. I've already been through these drills, and they look great, and the colors all look great. Did I show you the colors? I think you got a good look. Let's just. All right. I don't feel like I showed you the colors good enough. Okay. I'm just too fast for my own brain. But they look really nice. There's a lot of blues in here. Okay, there's a big bag of 939. 833 and 780. Well, that's not so big though. They're not so. This is big. 3627. Boy, that looks like black, don't it? It's probably a green tint. I don't know. Could be along the line of like a hint of red in it to make it like almost like a deep purple. I don't know. I don't know what color that is. 823 is blue. That's the biggest bags. 1310. Okay, so it does have pretty nice shades in here. We're going good. Alright, so who's interested in this? Leave a comment down below. I love Outdoor Tide. How's that sound? I love Outdoor Tide. Give it a thumbs up, and we'll do a drawing in a week. I will put all the information down below, so if you don't hear it coming from me, you'll find it below, because I don't want to get into details and all that stuff about the contest. But this is the contest. There will be other canvases in the package you receive, but this is going to be the start of the show. Okay, and there's plenty of room over here, so this is where I'm going to write on it. This is from Outdoor Tide. Whoops, I made that a T. Sorry. Outdoor Tide. Whoops. That's my little signature. My whoopsie. Okay, so that is this canvas. 40 by 40. The image is 40 by 40. You get all this extra over here. So this is basically on like a 50 by 50 canvas. Okay? And she's square. That will be a guaranteed prize. I love Outdoor Tide. And second up, I did put these back in the bag after I checked them out, okay? Because I have a lot of technical difficulties. So the second canvas, this is mine. This is mine, all mine. I really am not interested in like one big image like of Tweety or Wally Kite. I'm just, yeah, this is nice. This has like 9 of them on there. They're all different color backgrounds, all the characters you need to know. And I thought, okay, now we can do this, because I kind of stay away from a lot of this stuff and just I don't find it desirable a lot of times, you know. But with all of them on there like this, it's like little mini diamond paintings. I just stay in one area. You don't have to work the whole canvas. I thought that might be able to like slow me down from trying to be like, well, okay, I probably will. I'll probably take the black and just put the black everywhere it needs to be, and then just focus in on one of them. Maybe. I mean, I might not. I might be doing his hat and then come up and do all of Tweety and then do his eyes. I don't know what I'm going to do. But it's going to be fun. That's part of it, is deciding what the heck you're doing next. So there's 24 colors in here, and check this out, man. We've got some bright colors. The green, red, yellow is just popping. And there's some more red, purple. These look really nice, all pre-kit for us, just like the last one. But these are round. I don't have to take them out to check them out. We're good. So I am going to write on these. This is Outdoor Tide. Use a D this time. And this is a 40 by 50. And what are these called? Looney Tunes. Okay, Looney Tunes. That's okay. Okay. So, everything looks great here. And this drill field, I'll show you the other drill field, I forgot. This drill field is all alphabetical. And this one is some crazy. Okay, we've got, look, it starts with a musical note. You're going to be singing and dancing doing this one. Singing that song about Alice. When you're 6 feet tall. Okay, maybe I shouldn't do that. So I love both of these, but this one being a square is just. But I was searching for a Mad Hatter, and I still am. She didn't quite fit the bill because, well, it's a chick, but it's a girly girl. You know, no, this is it ain't it. This ain't it. This ain't it. But I love a little mousy and a little bunny in there and some designs. You got some balloon up there. You could put crystals in here wherever you want, man. You could, like her eyes especially and her lips. You want to see? You want to see what I just did to canvas? Okay. So here's my current whip. This is not from Outdoor Tide, but I want to show it to you because you could do this to any canvas. And I just took 2 colors of pink for her lips, 1 color of blue for her eyes, and there's 2 colors of blue in her necklace. I thought we would just give it a little pop and make that blue. Wait till you see this though. Ta-da! I made the Eiffel Tower pink. Because I was joking around when I opened this and another one that was just as long. The other one was a window scene. And it had the Eiffel Tower in it. You could make it pink if you want to. Well, I wasn't joking, but I did it on this one. I thought it fit better. The other one, pink, wouldn't look right, but it did look right here. I love it. I'm actually thinking like maybe this is too light because these are popping. This is looking good. And this is almost like a purple here. Yeah, I just filled it in. This was a hole, and it was a couple of these colors behind it. And I was like, no, just fill the whole thing in. Just, it's glowing. It's glowing, and the underneath of it, too. So, I love her. I'm having so much fun on this one. I couldn't wait to do it. And I was laying in bed this morning. I woke up, and I was like, oh, I'm working on the girl. And I wanted to come in here and work on it really bad, and I haven't felt that way about diamond painting for a while, so it really captured me back, you know, because I'm blinging it up. I'm making my own art out of it, and you could do the same here. This is going to be good for, well, I don't know if you have square crystals. Well, they're going to have to buy some then. You'll have to buy some, and they do have them. But look, wait, check this out. No. I'm coming. Okay. Here goes some crystals. I could put some of these in the giveaway, alright? That's what I'll do. Maybe not that blue. Like, what color blue do we want for our eyes? This one? What else is on here? Maybe that one. Look, it's got some purple. Maybe I'll give you the whole strip. You'll find out because it's a mystery. It's a mystery package. But you're clued in. This is guaranteed in your package. Just write, I love Outdoor Tide in the comment section below. Okay? in 1 week. I should find out what the date is at least. Give me a second. Okay, let's check this out. That's mirroring me. Will you open? Okay, so today is Saturday the 10th. I will draw a winner on Sunday the 18th. Okay, so get your I love outdoor tide in the comment section below within a week. And I'm going to put all the information below for these canvases, the links, the prices, and the pen as well. I'll have all the information for the giveaway, all the rules. I'm going to exclude this contest for people who live outside of the United States. If you're outside the United States, I'm not shipping outside the United States. I'm not going to do that. So you could have a friend that you know and have it shipped to them, okay? And you can gift it to someone, and sometimes that's even better than receiving something yourself, and be able to give someone away. Dude, I didn't say someone, did I? Yeah, she's a someone, okay. Something. Oh, I don't want to get marked for trafficking of... Okay, stop while I'm ahead, right? Right, okay. Thank you, adorables, for watching my videos and watching this video. Thank you for subscribing. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out and God bless.